Hi, this is Michelle Goldman with the review of my GFS gluten-free shopping app for iOS. We're going to start with the user login. Once you log in, it should load to the main home view controller, which is something that still needs to be addressed. When you come in, you'll see all gluten-free items, which now is pulling everything from the parse backend, including the detail view with the item and the category
Excuse
name.
me, iTunes got out.
Where it's got the category name, you can also rate your items from here and save that and get the alert for that. You can share the item out socially if you'd like to do that through Facebook and Twitter. You can also add the item to a list. So that feature is working with the list creation, although still working on building out the actual list, the shopping list detail items. You can also add the item to My Items, and if it's already there, it will tell you that it's already there in My Items. So all those features have been added and implemented, as well as working on some of the UI, UX design suggestions and issues from last week. So My Items is now pulling the items from parse and does load the image as well as the category, store name, in-store location, comments. You have the same option to be able to rate the product from here or add it to the list. And then the editing is not fully built out, but the intent is to be able to change any of these fields and then be able to save it and then update the items in parse. And then for items that there are no image, there's just a default image showing for that. And that is the all items and the My Items. My Stores is still the same. Nothing has changed there. You can add in a store, enter in the store name, and then just add in an address just to show you that that's going in. Store is saving. Although I do find that the view controller is not loading as quickly to display that. There's our item at the bottom, and then being able to delete items, an alert to do that. I just saw a crash there, which I had not noticed before. We also have our top product of the day. So that is now pulling in the product name and just has a default image for now. Still working on that. Has rated by that user. And the comments, you have the same option to be able to rate the product from here if you want to add it to a shopping list or if you want to add it to My Items. And it'll say item saved if it's not there already, and if it's already there, it does check to let you know that it's there. The top products, that is just pulling a daily list of items that will populate once an item is rated. It will be added to the list. I did want to change that so it comes in alphabetical end date order by creation dates. The GF resources is now working, so if you tap on a link, it will load that web page. So we've got that working as well, and each of the links does work. Our scan item, I'll pull that up here. So the scan item is still giving me some issues, working on building that out a little bit more. So let's see. If we go to scan item, and the scan item was just working, and now it is not working. So I'll have to take a look at that again. And then as far as the menu goes, Nothing really has changed here. I was not able to make any of the changes or implementations for combining the contact and feedback or the settings and the logout. Um, so still feel a lot of work to do. Did take care of the issue with the tab bar controller disappearing as soon as you log in and go into the app, so that's great. And was able to get over that hurdle of populating the detail views, so I'm happy with that as well.